From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, I'm student meteorologist Luke Winand here with your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast. As we take a live look across the state, we have had a bit of a wet start, especially in the western and central regions of the state, but you can see some breaks starting to form within the clouds as we head later into this morning. And as we focus here on Beaver Stadium, you can see clouds are still mostly within the area, but these will be clearing out as the day goes on. Currently, we are sitting at 54 degrees with winds coming out of the west at 10 miles per hour. And as we look at the temperatures across central PA, you can see that there are warmer temperatures as you go towards the southeast of the state, with temperatures as warm as 58 degrees in Harrisburg, but dropping to the low 50s and even to the 40s towards the northwest of the state. And taking a broader look, you can see it even drops down to the 30s up in the northwest, with 30 degrees in Franklin and 33 degrees in Erie, with these warmer temperatures still continuing more southeast with 58 in Philadelphia. And looking at the current radar, you can see that there are showers within the vicinity, with some heavier showers down here going into Johnstown. However, you also can see clouds starting to clear right behind, which will give us mostly sunny skies as we head into this afternoon. And luckily, we are being missed by this giant swath of rain right to our south, which is always good news. However, we're not out of the park just yet, because tomorrow night we are going to have a larger system coming through the area. Starting to go into tonight and into Thursday, you can see that temperatures will be dropping as we go throughout the day. So make sure to pack your coat this morning, because these spring-like temperatures will not be sticking around by tonight. And you can see that we're even dropping down to the mid-teens up in the northwest, with 14 degrees in Erie by tonight, but still staying just a bit above freezing down here in the southeast, with 34 degrees in Philadelphia and right below at 31 in Harrisburg. And going through Thursday, you can see some scattered snow showers move through the area before this larger system starts to push through Thursday night into Friday morning, which could make that Friday morning commute a little bit slippery. So to give a better time progression of how the storm will be hitting our state, you can see that by Thursday at 9 p.m., this will just start to be moving into the southwest regions of the state, starting with rain. However, just a couple hours later, much of the state will be covered within snow, a wintry mix, or rain. And this will continue throughout the morning, again, making that morning commute maybe a little bit icy, a little bit slippery, so make sure to be careful as you're heading to work on Friday morning. But by the afternoon, 4 p.m. on Friday, you can see that this will mostly be out of the area, with maybe some remaining snow and rain showers within the eastern parts of the state. It might still be a little wet, maybe a little slippery, but most of the precipitation will be out of the area. And this gives us a nice break going into the weekend. You can see there aren't many clouds, giving us a nice start to the beginning of next week. And you can see there are already some winter weather alerts across PA, with these counties in blue representing winter storm watches. So make sure to keep an eye out as we get closer to tomorrow night for any advisories released by the National Weather Service. Looking at today in State College, we can expect a high of 57 degrees, with temperatures progressively falling throughout the day and clouds clearing, with some pretty strong winds coming out of the west at 10 to 20 miles per hour, with gusts possible over 30 miles per hour. And going into tonight, we will have a low of 22 degrees, with those clouds building in, giving us mostly cloudy skies, with those windy conditions still sticking around, coming out of the northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour, with gusts still possible over 25 miles per hour. And going into tomorrow, we will have a high of 34 degrees with partly sunny skies, with much calmer winds coming out of the northeast at 5 miles per hour. Taking a look at the 7-day forecast, you can see today is our last little tease of spring weather before we head into the weekend and into the beginning of next week, where temperatures will remain within the 30s. After this, you can see, though, we will have that nice little break of minimal clouds going into the beginning of next week. So definitely look forward to the weekend after a pretty messy Thursday into Friday. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Luke Winand. Have a great Wednesday.